Hi guys. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but I did a poll on my Instagram story asking you guys what video you guys wanted to see next, and the room tour won. So I'm here today to show you guys my room. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me because I do a lot of polls on there about my videos and what you guys want to see and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, so we're gonna get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment more videos that you guys would like me to do. The poll that I did was between the room tour and the question and answer, and there was a lot of people, not a lot, but there was a couple of people that still wanted me to do the Q&A. So if you want me to do a college Q&A about my thoughts about college, my experiences, do I like it, what I don't like about it, stuff like that, and just some helpful tips. So if you guys want me to do a video about that, just let me know and I will get that too for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the tour. Okay guys, so I didn't walk out of the room, but this is the front door. So just here we have our towels, our shower cap, and stuff on this door. We were gonna put it on the bathroom door, but it doesn't close, so we put it on the front door, that's why. And then right to the left, there's this mirror that I got. I put it here because I didn't have anywhere to put it in my room, so we just put it right here. So yeah, you walk in, and then to the right you have the microwave. We put a Keurig in here. The microwave came with the room. We bought the Keurig. This is our little draining board. These are dishes that I washed last night. So they're chilling right there, drying. These are K-cups, and this is the snack bin. This is also like our draining board thing. This is where we put our silverware when it's drying, and our sponge. And then right under here we have two drawers. So this drawer we have all of our, I don't know why this in here like that, but like napkins, what do you call it, dish towels, silverware, can opener, spatula. Then we have all our plastic utensils, knives, cutting boards, and our gloves for washing dishes. And then under here we just have extra food, which is like cereal, and then cleaning products, and our iron, starch, stuff like that, trash bags, water. And then we move over here and we have the fridge, which obviously came with the room. And so yeah, I'm not gonna open it and show you guys that. So as soon as you walk in the room, you see my room first. So this is my side. Morgan's side is over there. So over to this side, we have this little thing for our key. We put our keys at so we don't lose them. Oh, here's the pantry area. And then up there we just have our paper towels, toilet paper, trash bags, stuff like that. Our mugs, coffee. Gotta have the Old Bay. We had to order the Old Bay off of Amazon, y'all, because we're from Baltimore, so we cannot live without Old Bay. Like, we put Old Bay on everything, literally. So we had to order that. And as you see, we got the huge one. We just put our cereal in these little things, Ziploc bags, stuff like that. Okay, so back over here, this is my desk area. The chair came with the room, the desk came with the room. Down here, I just had this little bin for storage. I just put my books from my philosophy class, extra spirals, my graphing paper, folders, stuff like that. Just extra supplies in there. This is some work that I did. This just has paper clips, binder clips, thumbtacks. Over here, I put my lipsticks in here. When I was home, I kept my lipsticks in this little acrylic thing, but it won't fit over there on the counter space, which I will show you guys. So I just keep it over here. On the wall here, I have my calendar. Right here, I have this little grid over top. Should I turn this light off? Okay, I have this grid over top. The goal was to print pictures out and then put the pictures on with these binder clips and then onto here. So yeah, that's why it looks so bland and, you know, not decorated. That's what it's for. And then I just put my sunglasses on the bottom hooks here. I have this little mirror here, and then it's just some of my school supplies in these bins. This is my lamp. I love the bottom. It's like marble. So pretty. And I just have my book bag. know if you guys care, but it's from Target. Here's just the Swiffer and the broom on my side. And this is my shower caddy. This is my TV and my dresser. The dresser came with the room. And then this is my bed area. So then right here is our trash, like our kitchen trash. And then over here I have my beauty / bath organizer. So at the bottom I have like our feminine stuff, wipes. That rack has makeup, brushes. This has my lotions, my perfumes, and then the top is like facial stuff. This rug is from Target. A lot of my stuff is from Target or IKEA. So yeah, I just have this throw on my bed, and then these pillows. This is my wall art. So again, I was supposed to print pictures and then put them on these little corks with the thumbtacks, but I did not get a chance to do that yet. So once I get all my pictures up, it'll look much better. But that's what these little things are for. I just have like the keep it simple sign up there, a plant, and then a bin. In this box I have like my phone cases, extra cords for my TV, extra charger, battery, stuff like that. And then this one down here I have more school supplies, like my calculator, more highlighters, a whole bunch of Sharpies, like all that. And then these are some pictures that I already have. So this is me and my boo-boo Muffin, Cassandra. And then this is from senior week. This is me and my friends. And then this is me and my sister. This is one of my close friends, Jay. Me and Mama. More, you guys have seen her before. And another picture of us from senior week. So yeah, those are the only pictures I have right now. This is a lamp, y'all, but it takes a special type of bulb, so I don't have it lit up right now. But yeah, that's what I have going on in my rack. This is the nightstand that came with my room as well. And then on here, I just have this little saying. And then this is like a little incense thing that I got from Paris. It smells so good. I have my alarm clock, my trash can. Then under my bed, I have this little 2-drawer thingy, my eating tray. And then I have over here in this bin organizer, my hair products. Oils in the baggie, shampoos, conditioners, stuff like that. And this black bin, I have my hair products, scarves, flat irons, brushes, combs, clips, all that. Anything hair related. And this last bin, I have all my purses. They're all in here. So that is that. And then over here, my closet. So as you can see, it's a sliding door mirror. And so in my closet, I have on the left hand side this little like organizer over here. This is from IKEA. If you guys are interested. My hamper, I need to do laundry, don't judge me. And then obviously my clothes. I put my shoes at the top. I actually just did that yesterday. They were at the bottom, but I prefer them at the top. And then on this side, same thing, just clothes. And over here I have shoes that I don't wear often, so like my heels, my boot heels, all that type of stuff that I won't wear. Back there's my ring light somewhere. And then more clothes, and then I have my towels up there. And so if you guys can see, we're actually on the first floor, so this is what it looks like. We actually get really, really, really nice sunlight during the day, so it's a good view. And so if you walk over here, we have this little rug for the center, and then we have this little bookcase. So the wine bottle that we got from Paris. And then we just put this little plant over there. The sign about best friends. And then like in these bins, because we didn't know what to put in them, we just wound up putting extra clothes. So like in this one I have like my bras, and then the other one is like my yoga, not yoga, but workout clothes, yoga pants, stuff like that. And then, excuse the trash, y'all. Over here is our bathroom area. So this is what it looks like. Our mat is so dirty. Like it got dirty in like 3 days. But yeah, underneath it's pretty clean. So this is Morgan's side. That's my side over there. So we just have extra stuff under there, hair products, obviously. And yeah. So I have my makeup cart or whatever. My face soap, my face brush, toothbrush, toothpaste. That's Morgan's side, or her makeup and stuff. And then in the medicine cabinet is all of Morgan's like contact stuff, so contacts, glasses, contact solution, stuff like that. And that is pretty much it, you guys. That is the room, except Morgan's side, but she will be posting her own video. So if you guys want to see, make sure you go subscribe to her channel at Morgan Studios. I hope I went through everything. Well, I know I went through everything, but I didn't really go into detail about each thing. A lot of the items that I got were from IKEA or Target. So if you want something specific in the video, just let me know, and I will, let you know where I got it from. But yeah, if you guys would like me to do a tutorial on my hair, I did my hair myself. Half up, half down, like gluing, basically. So the back part is glued in, and then the top I just have this like ponytail. So if you guys want a tutorial on that, I definitely will be doing this hairstyle again, so let me know so I can record. So I didn't record this time, it was my first time. I had no idea what I was doing, but it came out great. So yeah guys, I love you, thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video.